welcome back to my channel, Deval Designs. I am off to Costco right now. Let's go and see if we can find something. I am heading out and I will see you guys in Costco. See you. Hi guys, I am back from Costco and I have put away all the stuff from my car trunk. I showed you a clip of stuff that we bought and we are going to put away everything. Enjoy the music and see how I am working throughout all these things. I like to put all the produce in refrigerator, but before that I will wash them and dry them. So grateful for my daughter helping me put away the groceries. I also have another helper, Cosmo, with us. So it just took us a few minutes between both of us. As you saw, it's not a lot of stuff, it's just the regular items, my day-to-day routine groceries. I am going to show you how I put away my produce in. So let's start washing the produce. And I like to put my dish drying mat here before I start. Take the pesticides out of all the berries, I would use baking soda. While all the berries are soaking, I am taking off the bell peppers and avocados from its packets, and I'm gonna wash bell peppers. To keep tomatoes fresher, I tend to take off the stems from them. This will prolong the life of tomatoes. To ripe the avocados, I'll place them in a bowl on a counter. These are 2 containers of berries which are filled. I am going to put them in the refrigerator. I will see you guys soon in one of my videos, and hope you guys like this kind of videos. Please hit like and subscribe. If you want to know anything about any of the products, or if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I would love to see you guys say something, things that you may not like. Please let me know, and until we meet again, see you. Bye. Ciao.